Did you know that a sticky, invisible film is constantly forming on your teeth? This is dental plaque, a mixture of bacteria, food debris, and saliva. Plaque is the root cause of many dental problems, from cavities to gum disease. While invisible to the naked eye, its effects are far from subtle. Imagine a bustling city with millions of tiny residents. That's your mouth. These residents, bacteria, thrive on the food particles left after you eat. They produce acids that attack tooth enamel, leading to cavities. Over time, this can cause pain, sensitivity, and even tooth loss. If left unchecked, plaque hardens into tartar, leading to gingivitis. With the right knowledge and tools, you can win the fight against plaque. Beyond cavities and gum disease, plaque can have far-reaching consequences for your overall well-being. Bad breath, also known as halitosis, is often a direct result of plaque buildup. The bacteria in plaque release volatile sulfur compounds, which have a distinct unpleasant odor. But the impact of plaque goes beyond your mouth. Research suggests a link between gum disease and serious health conditions like heart disease, stroke, and diabetes. The inflammation caused by gum disease may contribute to the development of these conditions. The good news is that preventing plaque buildup is entirely within your control. By adopting a proactive approach to oral hygiene, you can break the cycle of plaque formation and safeguard your smile and overall health. Let's dive into the 3 essential steps for achieving a plaque-free life. Taking care of your teeth doesn't have to be a chore. With these 3 simple steps, you can easily maintain a healthy, plaque-free smile. First, proper brushing. This is your first line of defense against plaque. Brush your teeth twice a day for 2 minutes each time, using a soft bristled toothbrush and fluoride toothpaste. Angle your brush at 45 degrees to reach the gum line, and don't forget your tongue. Second, flossing daily. Brushing alone can't reach the tight spaces between your teeth. Flossing once a day removes food particles and plaque from these hard-to-reach areas, preventing cavities and gum disease. Third, a mindful diet. What you eat plays a significant role in plaque formation. Sugary foods and drinks feed the bacteria in your mouth, increasing acid production and plaque buildup. Limit your intake of sugary treats and opt for tooth-friendly options like fruits, vegetables, and cheese. These 3 steps work synergistically to combat plaque buildup and promote a healthy oral environment. Let's explore each step in detail and discover how you can maximize their effectiveness. Section 4. Brushing, your first line of defense. Brushing is the cornerstone of good oral hygiene. It mechanically removes plaque from tooth surfaces, preventing its buildup and harmful effects. But not all brushing techniques are created equal. Firstly, choose the right tools. Opt for a soft bristled toothbrush that's gentle on your gums. Electric toothbrushes can be particularly effective, especially for those with dexterity issues. Use fluoride toothpaste, which strengthens tooth enamel and helps prevent cavities. When brushing, use short, gentle strokes, angling your brush at 45 degrees towards the gum line. Pay attention to each tooth surface, spending about 30 seconds on each quadrant of your mouth. Don't forget to brush your tongue, as it can harbor bacteria that contribute to bad breath. Section 5. Flossing, diet, and beyond. Winning the long game. Flossing is crucial for cleaning between teeth and below the gum line. Use about 18 inches of floss, guiding it gently between your teeth. Curve the floss in a C shape, moving it up and down to remove debris. Your diet plays a significant role in oral health. Sugary foods fuel bacteria, leading to acid production and plaque buildup. Opt for tooth-friendly options like crunchy fruits, vegetables, cheese, and nuts. Drinking water helps flush away food particles and neutralizes acids. Regular dental checkups and cleanings are essential for oral health. Your dentist can remove tartar and provide personalized advice. Follow these steps to enjoy a healthy, radiant smile. Remember, a healthy mouth is a gateway to a healthier you.